rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Oh yeah, let's do that.
By the time he gets in, we all cool off.
Yeah, how's it up today? How y'all doing?
You go ahead and open it.
Go. Man, yeah, everything looking good though. I appreciate it. Yes, sir. Yeah, you got it braced up in here good now.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh. That's solid right there. Yes, sir. I don't smell no heating up. What those the Adam 5K?
Yep, Adam 5.5Ks.
One on each.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You said the sunroof is up under this?
Yeah. When you get out and you look at the top, you'll see the fiberglass, and then the glass is under it.
You just see some fiberglass over the top.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't wonder how you sealed it off and then put this over it.
No, what I did was I took the sunroof and track out, put the wood roof up, put an extra piece of wood in between here, or two extra actually.
Yeah.
One on the glass and then one under it. And then I spray foam, sandwiched it, sealed it up with caulking, and then I put the fiberglass over top.
Okay, keep it from leaking.
Yep.
Okay. Yes, sir. Let them know what you're running here, man.
It's 2 Def Bonce 3012Rs wired at 1 ohm apiece on 2 cab. That's my old amps. But it's on 2 Def Bonce Atom 5.5K Pros, 45 amp hour C-Max, 320 amp Autotech alternator.
Yes, sir.
And I got 3 Def Bonce AP 6.5 per door, and 2 of the Hannibal HOG 25 Neo tweeters.
Yeah, so you on Facebook, TikTok, let them know where they can find you at.
It's gonna be Curslow Harris on Facebook or Deadwise_TMH on TikTok.
I'm gonna be sure to tag them down below. That's good seeing you, bro.
You still rolling?
Yeah, you're still
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so I appreciate it, man. Tell
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.